Hello everyone. In this video, we will continue to solve for right triangle ABC, and then we will work with applications of trigonometry. So given this triangle here, I will label it as A, B, C. Again, C is a 90-degree angle, and opposite to that should be the hypotenuse, and opposite to A is a small letter A, opposite to B is a small letter B. So let's take a look at what given for us. So I have given as A equal to 4.75 and C as 7.55. So I will write that information down. C equal to 7.55. Okay, and A is given as 4.75. So in this case, I should write 4.75 as because this one is opposite to A. Okay. Alright. So in solving for the right triangle ABC, it means I will have to solve for this angle B. I will have to solve for this side B. And I also have to solve for this angle A. Okay, so let's write that down. Angle A, angle B, and also the sine B. Okay, again, as a reminder to everyone, in previous lesson, we mentioned that to maintain the precision and the accuracy of our final number as round to 3 significant digits, I will work with the given information. Okay, so I only work with the given information. Alright, so given A equal to 4.75, C equal to 7.55, let's say I want to solve for B in this case. Okay, I want to solve for B. So in solving for B, I will use the Pythagorean theorem. So it said that I will take square root of C squared minus A squared. So I should key this into my calculator, square root, bracket, 7.55, and then I square that, subtract 4.75, square that, and close the bracket, and press the equal sign. Okay, so let's review our calculator. So on this calculator, what I have is I will press this key. Okay, so press that key. I should have this square root sign, and I press this bracket. Okay, and I put in 7.55. Press this key x squared to get the x squared. Press the subtraction sign and key in 4.75. And I square that. Press this key again so that I can have a square there. Okay, now don't forget to close the bracket. Okay, now press equal sign. I should have a 5.868563. Okay, so to 3 significant digits, then I should have, okay, so you need to round number 6. You take a look at number 8. 8 is greater than 5, so you round that to 5.87, okay, as 3 significant digits. Okay, so let's write it down on our paper. I will write 5.87 centimeters as 3 significant digits. Okay, so now if I want to solve for B, okay, let's solve for B. In solving for B, I will take a look at what given to me. So given to me as A, and this case A is adjacent to B. Okay, so I will have adjacent to B. And then I will have the hypotenuse. they are given to me. So adjacent and hypotenuse, I have to use cosine. Okay, so I will write cosine of B will be equal to that. Okay, so that's put down cos of B will be equal to adjacent to B, which is 4.75 divided by 7.55. So what you do is you write angle B will be equal to cos to the exponent minus 1 of this inside the bracket. Okay, so we have learned this in previous class using our calculator. Then in this case, I should have 51.0 degrees. Okay, so I think it's a good idea to review our calculator. Okay, at the same time, I will review to everyone how to again round to 3 significant digits. Okay, alright, so what we have is I will press the shift key. Okay, press the shift key, and I press the cos, so I should have cos to the exponent minus 1. Okay, press this bracket. Okay, I key in 4.75, then I press the division. I press the division sign, and I key in 7.55. Okay, make sure you close the bracket and press the equal sign. Okay, the answer on the calculator give me as 51.013366658. Again, make sure that we work with degrees. So in this case, I should have the answer round to 3 significant digits as 51.013. So you take a look at that one. So you round that 0. 1 is less than 5, so you are keeping that 0. So in this case, this representing 3 significant digits. Alright, okay. So the next step is to solve for the angle A. In solving for angle A, keep it simple. All you do is take 90 degrees and subtract 51.0 degrees. So in this case, I should have 39.0 degrees as 3 significant digits. Alright, so let's move on to our next lesson. The next lesson I would like everyone to go over is to work with application of trigonometry. Okay, again, a reminder for everyone right here. And for example number 1, it's asked me to determine the height of this pagoda. Okay, so this is the length and this is the height, so I have to find this one. I put it as h. Okay, given this angle as 40.8 degrees. Okay, so now from the position of these angles, you see that the given information is 15.5. So 15.5 is adjacent to this angle. And you have to solve for h. So adjacent is given to you, but according to this position of this angle, the height is the opposite. Okay, so you are given opposite and the adjacent. So therefore, I should use tangent in this case. Okay, so I will write down tangent of 40.8 degrees will be equal to the height divided by 15.5. So it will be tangent 40.8 equal to opposite to 40.8, and this one is adjacent to 40.8. degrees. Okay, so in this case I have h and I have 15.5. In solving for h, what you need to do is you are going to bring the 15.5 to the other side, so you multiply by. So tangent of 40.8 times 15.5 will be equal to h. Alright, so h is equal to 13.4 as 3 significant digits. Alright, okay. So let's continue on to the next example. Okay, this example asks me to find the height of the palm tree. Again, I will have to find this height of the palm tree. No, the height is measured and it's already given to me. Okay, 17.5. And determine the angle as indicated. Okay, so this angle I have to look for it. This angle I also have to look for. So why don't we label our triangle so that we can distinguish what angles that we have to look for. So here we call it angle A, and here we call this angle B. Okay, and determine the angle as indicated, and this side is given to me as 25. Okay, so in solving for the angle A, okay, I will take a look at the given 25, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, and 17.5 given to me, according to the angle A, it will be adjacent to A. So therefore, I'm going to use cosine. So cosine of A will be equal to adjacent to A, which is 17.5, divided by the hypotenuse of 25. Alright, so again, we are going to write angle A will be cos inverse of 17.5 divided by 25. So using the calculator, the answer round to 3 significant digits should be 45.6 degrees. Okay, so in 3 significant digits. Alright, so to solve for the angle B, all you have to do is just take 90 degrees and subtract 45.6 degrees. So in this case, I should have the answer as 44.4 degrees. Okay, in 3 significant digits. Alright, okay. Thank you.